Hi friends, welcome back. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make a paper bag. Okay, let's start. Required materials are paper sheets, ruler, hole puncher, glue, decorating tape, laces. Okay, let's start. Step 1. Fold the paper into half. Step 2. Apply the glue on this side. Then paste it. Now I am folding the same side and creasing using a scale. Then apply the glue. And paste it. Next step is fold the opposite side. Then crease and apply the glue again in the same way. Now I am going to make the base. The size of the base depends upon you. Adjust the base by poking your finger so that you can get the desired shape. Now you have to fold both flag inside and apply the glue. Now base is ready. Now poke in your hands and shape the bag. Now you can decorate your bag as you wish. I am going to decorate my bag using a decorating tape. Now I finished my decoration. Now I am going to punch the holes. Now I am going to tag the lines. Now I am going to stick this smiley. Now my paper bag is ready. It's very simple. Please try.